Welcome back to my channel, and today I am back with a mini haul, and I hope you guys have been doing well. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. This is just gonna be a mini haul. It's a makeup haul that I got from this cam, and also some of the things that I got from Clicks, and some of them I bought from Chinese store, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna start with the things that I got from the Chinese store. I got these beauty blenders for 30 rand. They are 4 inside. Okay guys, I am very impressed with the quality. They are very soft, they are very nice and all that. And I also got myself set of brushes for 90 rand, like this with 30 rand. I got a set of brushes for 90 rand. Like, I'm also impressed with the quality. They are very soft, and yeah, they are very soft and nice. I like the color. I love everything about them. They're just so nice. So these are the only 2 things that I got from the Chinese stores. And another thing that I got, now I'm gonna be going into the things that I bought from Mr. Price. I got myself some face mask, a black one. It's really nice, and yeah, it's been a long time since we bought these things. We no longer really care anymore. So yeah, and I got these 3 set of toiletry bags, of which I don't think they're toiletry bags. This looks like makeup bags, because yeah, it's a makeup bag. They are makeup bags because there are 3 inside, and they retail for 130, but we got them for on sale. It's 1, 2, and 3. We got them for 80 rand. They were on sale, and yeah, you know, it's good to have portable things like this for in case when you're going out, you know. Yeah, I really like them. And I love the fact that since the makeup bag, they were made out of plastic, you know. Sometimes it's very difficult to put your makeup things inside something that is a fabric kind of thing, because it easily gets dirty. So this is the it girl. And now we're gonna go into the things that I got from this cam. I got these 2 Ndzally London bronzing powders, and I got them for 40 rand each, but this is not the original price. I'm not sure about the original price, but we got them. They were on sale for 40 rand. 40 rand. And these are in the shade Yard Bonnie M bronzing powder. I think the shade is Affection. Yeah, I'm not sure about the shade though. And got myself some Fit Me foundation. We're gonna be trying this one on camera, and it's in the shade the 357 Spiced Scent. I'm very happy to try this because the last time I bought them, the colors that I bought were not my shade. You know, when you're a makeup artist, you know, you also believe in this thing of mixing shades until we get your desired shade. So I'm gonna be trying this out. And got myself some LA Girl concealer in the shade Toffee. And also got these brushes from Mr. Price. They come with this eyebrow stencils, but since you know it's Tina, we don't use that. We are not pros. I'm joking guys. So yeah, they came with that. I love this brushes. I love how this is so angled, and also so the braces, they don't shift in a way, you understand, they're very stiff. So I love this, and been looking for this for the longest time. A nice pencil, by the way. And got myself some LA Girl Pro Pep High HD Smoothing Face Primer. I'm not sure how much was this. And my favorite, guys, I got myself some lip therapy. This is the girl that she thinks she is. And again, got myself some Passion Pro compact powder. This is gonna be my first time trying out this one. It retails for 50 Rand. It's a discount brand, and I'm gonna be giving you all the tea about this. And got myself some beauty treat, guys. I love beauty treat. If you guys have noticed, I've already have a bigger palette than this one. This is the 24 rose gold palette. This is the one that I used today, and this girl has how many shades? 24. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It has 10 matte shades. It has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, I think it has 11 matte shade and also 13 shimmer shades. So yeah, this is a good palette for starters because it has some neutral colors and it retails for just 95 Rand. So this is a good one to go. And I got this one from Clicks, guys. I know it looks like I've already used it like a lot of times. This was 65 Rand. This is a good palette, by the way. I love this. And by the way, I'm looking forward to trying other things. This is the Dreamy 8 color highlight and contour palette Belle collection from Clicks. I got this one from Clicks for, I think it was 65 Rand. So it comes with 4 highlighters and 4 contouring things, like also some blushes. So I love this one. It has been helpful for me. And I was saying, though, there are some of the things that I got during December because I wanted to make sure that my kid is okay so that I can be good by the time I meet up with some clients. I got this Revlon Color Stay foundations. There were 2, and this is in the shade Mocha, and the other one, it's a lighter one, of which I don't have it with me right now. Got myself some Super Stay. I know you guys have already seen this in my videos. And some Baby Skin Instant Power Eraser from Maybelline. Also, it came with this, the nude palette. This too. Why am I lying now? Okay, I bought this too, and they gave me this too as a gift. I love this mascara, guys. It really does volumize your eyes, and this is the girl. So guys, yeah, I'm done for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.